I am Daisel and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video to do. I literally saw this like a couple of days ago and I'm like, I need to order this. I have to try it. I'm trying to be as like timely as possible. So I literally just got this in the mail. I just opened it up. I haven't touched it. I haven't played with it. I ordered it the day it was released, and you guys might have seen this going around the internet. This is the Crayola beauty line. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to try this. So I know that they came out with a lot of different products, but I wanted to try like the main crayon, the one that looks like an actual crayon and not like an eyeshadow palette or the bronzer stick or anything. So one crayon is actually £9 and I was like, oh my god, I can't spend that amount of money on it. So I decided that I wanted to get the trio. They have multiple different ones, but I wanted to try to be able to create a kind of like a full look with it. So that's why I got probably the most like non-exciting colors, because I wanted to do eyes, lips, and cheeks. So I wanted a set that was more versatile. Instead of getting like a black, white, and gray, or like a green, orange, and yellow. I know those are super exciting colors and would probably be like super fun to do, but I wanted to actually give the formula a go. So that's why I tried this one, and let me be honest, this is probably the only one I could afford. So you get 3 for £18 instead of 1 for £9. So I think it's like probably the most worth it option. So this is the Wild Fruits limited edition one. There was so little info that came out of the like Crayola just releasing this. It was like a shock. It just appeared on my Facebook and I just clicked on it, looked on ASOS, bought it, and it's here. So I know very little about it. I think the packaging is adorable. I used to be obsessed with Crayola when I was younger. I would buy like the 64-piece set with the sharpener. It has to have the sharpener. I bought that and I didn't even use it because it was so beautiful. I was like, I'm not touching it. So I'm super excited to try this on. So it's a lip and cheek, but I'm going to use it on the eyes because I feel like if it's safe to be eaten, I think it should be safe for the eyes. These are the 3 that I have and they're so cute. They have the little Crayola thing. They remind me of like the NYX chubby sticks. So I've got the shade Mango Tango and I think this has glitter in it. The NYX shade is Strawberry, which is kind of like a red. And the last one is Very Cherry. It looks like a really brown maroony red. So we are going to play with this today. I'm gonna do a wear test as well. We're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully they're good because I think they're super adorable. So I've got foundation, powder, bronzer, and my eyebrows done. Now we're gonna start off with the eyes. Here I have my Tartelette Toasted palette that I'm gonna use to like put the base and all. Let's get started. I'm gonna put a little base down. I know this is gonna look like a super red look because of how much red there is, but I feel like this is the best way to test it out. I'm just gonna put a little bit of latte on my crease. Alright, so just very simple, a base and a crease color. And then we are going to put Mango Tango on my eyes. So it's not really like coming onto my eyes very well. As you can kind of see it, but it's not like fantastic on my eye. Okay, we're going to go for a different route. I want to put Strawberry on my eyes. I'm gonna put this on my eye like so. Oh, I feel like I'm putting lipstick on my eye, and I think we're just gonna kind of blend it with my fingers. I'm gonna take a clean synthetic brush and kind of just blend the edges out. I'm going to set that in place. And I'm gonna fluff Fireside just to give it some depth. Let me see if I can put some of this Mango Tango on my lower lash line to give it some glitter. Now we're gonna test it on the cheeks. So I think what I'm gonna do is, those look really bright. So I think I'm gonna rub Strawberry on my hand here to warm it up. And then I'm gonna take some of my finger. I'm gonna put it on my cheek. And this is turning me into a clown. We're gonna go with the Beauty Blender. Try to bounce everything away. So I'm gonna put all 3 shades on my lips, and then we're gonna settle with Very Cherry because I really want to wear this, and I just want to see how they perform as lipsticks, to be honest. Let's go in with Mango Tango. So this feels a bit rougher because there are like glitter bits in it. So this is how it looks on my lips. Just completely doesn't go with this look, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. It reminds me of like lipstick that you'd get at Claire's, you know, like children's nice super glittery like lipstick. Next we're going in with Strawberry. Now my face is just gonna look like one shade because it's on my eyes, on my cheeks, and on my lips. So let's go. This is so creamy. So this is Strawberry on my lips. I think it's such a beautiful, beautiful color. Looks completely different. Well, not completely, but very different from my eyes. Like once you blend it out, it becomes more of this like pinky like shade, but on my lips it is like a true strawberry, like an actual strawberry. And I think it looks really beautiful, really easy to apply, and it just, you know, feels very comfortable. I look like I'm about to perform at like some Chinese opera, so we're gonna try the next shade. So we're gonna try Very Cherry now, and I'm really excited because I really like shades like this. I really like this color. It definitely doesn't shine as much as the Strawberry one. So I've done liner and lashes, and I don't know why I decided to go a little bit dramatic today and do like a black like waterline. Based on my face right now, my least favorite is Mango Tango because I feel like with it being so sheer and it glittery, don't really know what to do to how to use it, because when I bought the set I thought it was gonna be like kind of metallic. I feel like maybe I thought wrong, but I thought it was going to be. That's why I wanted to use it all over my lids, but you know, it just didn't do much. Strawberry is a really nice shade. I love it on the lips. On the eyes it looks really cool. I think if you decide to do it on the eyes, it'll look really nice. We'll see if it creases, we'll see what happens. Also, because I did put translucent powder, that's why it's like mattified and not as shiny, but I think that's the only way to prevent it from creasing. On the cheeks it does look quite nice, but I don't know if it's because I'm too fair that I think this color is just too vibrant on me. And also Very Cherry, I love this, and there's no other way that I could wear it except on my lips. Might do on the eyes, but I don't want to look like I have pink eye. But other than that, it's so comfortable. I'm gonna wear this for a couple of hours. I don't think I'm gonna wear it too long, so I'll be right back. It's been a couple of hours, and I've honestly just been sitting here editing this video because I want it to go up real quick. And also I painted this dinosaur. Look how cute. I haven't thought of a name for him yet, but I think I did a pretty good job. Right? Anyways, okay, back to the makeup. So far, nothing has changed. Everything is still in place. The blush is definitely still there. Oh my goodness. And actually, like, I was looking at it in different lightings, like daylight in my bathroom, yellow light, and different stuff, and it doesn't look that bad. Like, it's okay. The blush, it was like just a little bit tough to blend. The eyeshadow looks really, really good. Like, I don't think it's even coming off. Like, yeah, it comes off a little bit on my hand, but you know, it doesn't look like it will crease. And I've worn it for like a few hours already. And the lipstick, I have eaten, I have drank water. Of course it transfers. It doesn't claim on the box that it's long wearing in any way, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with like how it's held up. It is like, when you do that, it just feels like a matte lipstick, to be honest, but it's not drying at all, and I am pretty impressed with how everything has held together, and I'm really liking my makeup today, except for the blush. I feel like it is good. It's not a bad makeup. Is it worth the price? I definitely don't think so. It's just because you're paying for the brand, to be honest, because it's Crayola, they're gonna charge you more. Like £9 to me for a stick, one stick, is a bit ridiculous considering what it actually is. I found like a NYX one, and I don't remember how much it cost, but I don't think it costs that much. So like £18 for this is a little bit ridiculous. I would rather spend it on like a palette or something. It's, like I said, it's not bad, and I will definitely wear them as lipsticks again. Like, definitely I like it, how my makeup turned out. So I'm not saying that it's bad or anything. I'm just saying that you're kind of paying for the novelty of having crayons, like Crayola. But after like trying them out and stuff like that, it's not like something that you'll keep buying to replenish your stock, if you know what I mean. Like, it's really cute, novelty. Obviously I'm gonna keep this forever because it's like limited edition, whatnot, but like in terms of using it regularly, that's not gonna happen. As like a lip and cheek trio, I'm not too sure how many people can use this for both. Like lips, yes, I love all the colors as lipstick, but I'm not too sure many people can use them as cheek sticks. Blush? Cheek sticks. Like, for me, it's a bit patchy and blotchy when you blend it out, and I think it might work on people with darker skin, tanner skin, but no one is really gonna use them as blush, to be honest. Also, how do we... oh my gosh, I didn't know this. Okay, I feel a bit stupid now. I was a bit like, are we gonna sharpen it like the NYX ones? But you can twist this. That is ridiculous of me. Okay, so you get about this much product, which is not a lot, you know, because it's quite thin as well. So you don't get that much product. So as much as I do like this and I do like how my makeup turned out, you can go get it if you want to spend that money and if you want to keep it as a collector's item. But for like normal use, you can find stuff at the drugstore kind of the same, unless you really go out and buy the super crazy colors that they don't really sell anywhere, then that's fine. But other than that, that is my review, and yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below what you think about Crayola releasing makeup. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I guess that's about it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!